Hello students, good morning. I hope that you be very well. I'm very glad to see you again. Remember that tomorrow we are going to be working on some activities. So be pending for the link that I'm going to post tomorrow in classroom, okay? Now we are going to finish this day. We almost finished with the reading activity number 3. Today is Monday, June 1st, 2020. And as I suppose that you read, we're gonna check now the vocabulary that you need to study. Okay, in this topic, in this reading, we check that important keywords that are number 1, you're going to repeat after me. Atomic bomb. Repeat. Number 2, cancer. 3, 4, disease. 5, headquarters. 6, hub. 7, legend. 8, military supplies. 9, monument. 10, poisonous. 11, surrender. Okay, as we check in the first video about history, we learned that the World War II, or the World War II, it was because when two countries are against or they are disappointed about something. In this case, in the story, we are headquartered in the World War II, but in the South Pacific. Okay, so it is a story that is the other hand of the story, and we're going to check the definitions that I need that you learn or that you underline the keywords for the next exam. So in the first concept, atomic bomb, you know that it's a type of weapon, okay? Es un tipo de arma that uses a nuclear reaction. Remember that a nuclear reaction is when you are working or mixed elements. So here we're talking about chemistry. The second word is cancer. You know, cancer is a disease, es una enfermedad, okay? It's a life-threatening disease caused by change to the cells of the body. Okay, so here, if you know someone that have cancer, you may know that they need to take a special treatment for try to treating their disease. Utilizan un tratamiento especial para tratar su enfermedad. Number 3, destroy. That word is a verb. And that is to complete damage, okay, damage something. When something cannot be fixed anymore, you only can find the ruins, that means that the thing of the object has been destroyed. Number 4, disease, okay, another synonym for that word disease is ill, okay, enfermedad. So it's a serious illness or medical condition. The number 5, headquarters, is a noun that means in Spanish localización, or to be more precise, that is a sede. Do you know what is a sede? A sede is a place where people make reunions or where people organize to have something in common to share with others. Okay, so headquarters is a noun and that means in Spanish a sede. Number 6, hope, is a noun and is a belief in a good result. I hope that my students get a good score at the end of this school year. Yo espero que mis alumnos tengan un buen resultado al final del ciclo escolar. Okay, so that word hope means esperar. In this case, we're talking about about it can be like a good result that you can take for something that you are expecting about. Okay, number 7, legend. Okay, a legend, it is a famous story. It is often related with ancient times. Okay, it's something that is recognized because some of the events that occurred before are really important for the world. Okay, now the word number 8, military supplies. Supplies for a military group such as weapon or food. So a supply is like a receiver that you can take, for example, food. Maybe here during quarantine, some of your supplies is to have enough food to share with your family. So here we are talking about suministros, okay? A military supplies during the war can be guns, it can be some medicine or pills, or something really, really important that you need and that the people are saving in case that they are going to use them, okay? Now the number 9, monument. You know, that is a street, building, or structure that honors something, okay? A person that had built a monument is because that is an important historical person, okay? Un monumento. Then the word number 10, poisonous, harmful, or toxic. For example, during the war, the gases used were poisonous, and they were created with special chemicals because they can destroy humanity, but they cannot destroy buildings. Okay? The word number 11 is surrender. That means in Spanish like give up. Okay? Que significaría como rendirse en este caso. That is a verb that means to stop fighting and accept that an opponent or enemy has won. Okay? To give up. Rendirse. Now, for this activity, you are going to match the events with the years. Okay? When Japan surrenders, when the Children's Peace Memorial is completed, when the World War II started, when Sadako gets sick, okay, you're going to match with the years. And when you finish that, you're going to number the events in the correct order. Okay, you can read the story again if you need it. Thank you for watching. That's all the activities for today, and just wait for the homework.